but I think I know what you mean. I promise I'll try. It's been an honor to sing to you tonight. Houston, thank you so much for coming. Some nights I want to get up here and sing a bunch of nonsense. I know that my voice ain't good enough for band lyrics, not yet. This is the first song, the last song, this is the last song, the moment of truth. Oh, I blew the whole thing already. It's supposed to go so much smoother, no room for booze. Let me try that. It's the last song, the moment of truth. If this one fails, what good did the rest of them do? I'm trying to stay focused and stay in the moment. But all I can think about is if my fly has been open. I swore I checked before I came on. Maybe that was last night or the first show. I would ask you to check for me, but that would be asking a lot, so I'm just gonna check real quick. Oh yeah, you're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that I'm here at all. Trust a musician who's always complaining it's hard up here, but so is everything. You know what my job was before I did this? I used to walk around parking lots picking up trash. Do you know how many people paid to watch me do that? Zero. Always zero. My poster sales were zero for my trash pickup job. Even if nobody comes to this one, they still let me play guitar. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's the gorge, sometimes it's a garage. Get over yourself and do your goddamn job. Whoa, y'all doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find a song. Yeah, it's a miracle that you're here. And oh yeah. Candle flickers when the days get dark. They call them first world problems. They still break your heart. The universe feels like it's against you. Just take a minute to realize all that it took to make you. Your parents had to meet. As random as that was, hang out long enough at least to make some love and make a baby. And give it your name. And all your ancestors had to do the same, exponentially backwards to the start of life. So much random shit had to happen, just exactly right. Sparks had to catch, oceans had to freeze, billions of cells had to survive, endless disease, civilizations had to crumble, wars had to get fought, bad presidents had to get elected, good presidents had to get shot, people had to leave, hearts had to get broken, people had to die, just so your eyes could open the universe. It's not against you, the universe is not against you if you're alive, just to give you a chance. Must so wanted you here, pretty bad, no pressure though, no pressure though. Universe went through a lot, Houston, but no pressure, bro. You don't gotta be perfect, you don't gotta be a saint, just don't waste it. This was not a mistake, yeah. Y'all doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to